Hello friends. This time I bring you the coolest prototypes of the future. Let's start. Hevstal ANN2. The specialists of this Italian company believe that its development represents a new it was in regional air mobility. They have invented the special AN platform, which makes it possible to assemble a variety of vehicles vertical takeoff and landing. A capacity of up to 6 people, a range of up to 497 miles, a speed of cruising up to 186 miles per hour, a hybrid and ecological power plant. You can see a virtual model and a real one of the ANN2 version. It is a 2-seater vehicle suitable for personal and commercial use. Controls are manual, remote or automatic, and thanks to the flexibility of production, the equipment is prepared to fulfill the wishes of the user, in the finishing details and in various electronic systems. The ANN2 is still a prototype, but tests are planned for this year. Martini 6.0. It's time to set sail. Maybe in the future a boat like this will help us enjoy of the seas and oceans. This 46-meter catamaran yacht, with a stabilization system unique, was presented by Servo Yachts and Saddleworld Design. The main feature is the active suspension with a travel of 5 meters, which will guarantee comfort even in rough seas. The ship's electronic systems evaluate the environment in real time and adjust the suspension so that the cover stays in position horizontal. Several versions of the yacht are already available, one of them for 10 guests and 11 crew. The glass. When talking about various technologies of the future, it is impossible not to mention the creations of Japanese engineers. Today we look at the glass, a joint project of scientists from the University of Kyoto and one of Japan's leading construction companies. The design will look familiar to anyone who has seen the movie Interstellar. The conical construction makes one revolution in 20 seconds, so the centrifugal force provides normal Earth gravity. The structure is 400 meters high and has a radius of 100 meters, and for transportation of people the special transport system Hexagon Space Track will be used. According to a representative from Kyoto University, there is no such plan in the spatial development plans of other countries. According to preliminary estimates, the project will take about 100 years to complete, but a simplified version could be ready by 2050. Hyundai Future Mobility Concept. The following is a concept of the southern company Korean Hyundai. At CES 2022 they presented their vision of the city of the future, showing various transportation innovations. Special attention has been paid to robotics and to the metaverse, a constantly active virtual space for various interactions. Also, they focus on people with limited mobility. These capsules, called Plu hand drive modules, they will help them get out of the house and move around the city. The capsules are attached to a special platform, creating a kind of bus. Vertical takeoff and landing vehicles will also be actively used. The objective the end of the company is to implement the mobility of things ecosystem, which implies mobility without interruptions in cities and challenges existing modes of transport. TERRA Incognita Space Rover. The following is a creation by a Dutch designer with a very impressive portfolio. He has worked with 20, Century Fox, Netflix, Microsoft and other big companies, and today let's show you his rover for planetary exploration. The vehicle is called the TERRA Incognita Space Rover and is designed for a crew of 6 people. To be reliable, the rover has 6 electric motors, as well as an architecture modular to make it easier to maintain and replace parts. The combination of the specially designed compartmentalized hull and automatic systems in an emergency, they provide a 72% chance of survival, and the system ASA will allow the rover to navigate in 3-dimensional space and avoid dangerous maneuvers. 15th Veil. There are other similar bikes being built to set new speed records. The idea is to build a version that works only with human strength and takes full advantage of the aerodynamics. The competition in the search for records is fierce. In 2013, the Dutch team Human Power managed to hit 82 miles per hour. In 2015, the Canadian Aerovelo team went further by accelerating to 85 miles per hour. In 2016, there was a model called ETA that reached 90 miles per hour. The pilots are assisted by cameras as well as onboard computers that give indications at the right time. The materials include carbon fiber, and the drop-shaped design forces you to ride practically lying like in a Formula One car. Alpine A4810 concept. The French have also managed to surprise us. Alpine engineers have joined forces with Italian design students and have unveiled a concept supercar powered by hydrogen. The model is known as the Alpine A4810, and the numbers were chosen by a reason. 4,810 meters is the height of Mont Blanc, one of the emblematic peaks of the Alps and the highest mountain in the European Union. In addition, Mont Blanc is located in the border between Italy and France. Unfortunately, the model will not reach the markets. Actually is a way to showcase the talent of the next generation of car designers as well as paying homage to Alpine history. The design is inspired by Formula One cars, with an active use of fiber of carbon, and the combination of colors creates a contrast that highlights the most flashy. TLC CSOT. Let's look at this brainchild of Chinese engineers. They make these screens that can be twisted and roll up. They are very compact. The 17-inch OLED screen is only 0.2 millimeters thick. There is also a tiny AMOLED screen that measures 6.7 inches and expands to 7.8 inches with a single touch. The cost of production is reduced by approximately 20%, which brings us closer to the massive implementation of these products. According to the manufacturers, the market potential is enormous, and by 2025 the market for smartphones with screens flexible will be 80% more profitable. Yacht V2. Created in Italy by a studio design that our most loyal viewers already know, offers a concept of improved amphibious yacht. He is able to move both in water and in the air. In both cases we'll have the help of two 169-meter hulls, reminiscent of airships, and 8 electric motors of 950 horsepower each. They will be powered by solar panels. The authors of this project estimate that the ship will have a maximum speed of 114 miles per hour in the air and about 6 miles per hour in the water. The passengers, they will enjoy 10 rooms with large windows, a dining room and a lounge. Pearl Suites. Now let's go back to Italy, to the Lazzarini design studio. This time we are going to see some blocks of floating apartments that can be perfect for tourist complexes. The units are known as Pearl Suites, and the standard version includes everything you need for a stay comfortable. The 22 square meter space includes a terrace, a bathroom, a toilet and a bedroom that can be transformed into a study. The roof, partly made of photochromic glass, it unfolds to be able to sunbathe comfortably when the weather is good, in addition to having a small electric motor to maneuver. From the creators of UFOs, now a product for humans, jokes one YouTube user. Nuclear-powered Sky Hotel. An ambitious new nuclear-powered flying hotel design that never lands. It is exactly the concept that you are seeing on your screen. 20 engines, up to 5,000 passengers, and the possibility of coupling to conventional aircraft. These are just some of the features of the Sky Cruise project. The concept stands out due to its totally autonomous control. Simply put, no human pilots are needed. Visitors will be able to enjoy piestinas, a shopping center, cinemas, gyms, and other services. However, online users are skeptical. If physics and aerodynamics did not exist, this ship could take off, says one of them. And that's all for today. Give it a like if you liked the video, subscribe so that YouTube will let you know when I upload a new video. And see you in the next video. See you soon.